Why do we get angry easily?
Yes, I will tell you. This is a very fantastic questions. Understand? Why do we get angry very easily? Not everyone get angry easily, but some people get angry easily. Understand? But who get angry easily? Mostly children. Yes or no? Children get angry very easily, I have seen. Is it true?
Yes.
Why children get angry easily?
Don't understand.
Because they don't understand perspective of the person, what he's
What
thinking,
we
are-
why he's saying.
Papa, I need a chocolate. No. No, I want a chocolate. I want a chocolate. The desires they have, because of the full of rajoguna with the children, full of rajoguna, and they are very targeted in nature, and the desire is uncontrolled. After 5 minutes, they forget maybe. संगात संजायते काम कामात् क्रोधो विजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृति विभ्रमः स्मृति भ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. Angry is a product of your uncontrolled desire. When the desire is not fulfilled, then you get angry. Simple. Only one reason why you get angry, because your desire is not fulfilled. Normally people desires the food, sleep, sex and self-preservation. Our desire is based on these 4 things. Understand? Food, sleep, sex and self-preservation. These are the 4 primitive fountains. Food should be good, tasty. If there is no tasty food, understand? If you go to a restaurant and the food is not tasty, then you get angry because you pay money. And your desire always like a business. Pre-expectations. Before you take it, you already have taken it inside your mind that I want this. It is very hidden inside your unconscious mind, but already you pre-decided. From where this decision comes? Because of your last experiences. Your decisions are made from your past decisions, past experiences. If you have no experience, you will not have that desire. If you have never eaten pizza, can you have a desire of pizza? If you have never heard about it. So, sangat sanjayate kamaha. The desire comes from sanga. To control your desires, make yourself away from the nonsense things. Do satsanga. Binu satsanga viveka na hoi. Ram kripa vina sulabha soi. To control your desires, you have to have good sangha, satsanga. The sangha, the companion, the company which follow the truth, peace, love, humbleness, simplicity, broadness, openness, clarity, that what follow, that then only you can control your desires. Understand that, and that is very important. Satsanga. Be with good people all the time. Don't try to avoid the bad company. Otherwise, they become very heavy and they really destroy your life. bad company. Be safe, that is important. If you have bad company, then you have to understand your life is finished. Understand? They are the thieves. Bad company are the thieves. They steal the peace of your mind.